Moto C Plus is out in India. LG has a new smartphone, or is it really a new smartphone? Xiaomi has a bunch of accessories out in India. Today is Monday, June the 19th, and this is 360 Daily. Moto C Plus is out for 6,999 rupees. Now this of course is the entry-level smartphone of the C series. Xiaomi Redmi 4, the entry-level variant, is its competition. It runs Android Nougat, has 4000 mAh battery, and the smartphone will go on sale exclusively on Flipkart on Tuesday, 12 PM. And while you get up to buy the smartphone, make sure you check out Gadgets 360 because there are a bunch of offers on this smartphone. As expected, OnePlus 5 seems to be a popular meme machine. It has crossed 5.25 lakh registrations in China, and if you come back to India, there are television ads that are out, and also the Indian price is leaked. OnePlus 5 will come in two variants, 6GB RAM, 64GB storage, which may be priced at 32,999 rupees, and the other 8GB RAM variant is priced at 37,999 rupees. If these prices are true, this would be the most expensive OnePlus smartphone ever made. OnePlus is also making sure that the older models of the smartphones are not feeling alienated. They've rolled out Oxygen OS Beta version 18 and 9. Now this update is for OnePlus 3 and 3T users, and it promises a lot of bug fixes. About 90% of Jio users have subscribed to Jio Prime membership plan. Now these are people who have used Jio SIM as their primary network. This comes from a report from Bank of America Merrill Lynch, but the strange part is 41% of Jio users are still finding it difficult to connect to calls. LG has a new smartphone, the G6 Plus. Actually, it's not really a new smartphone, it's basically G6 with 6GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage and wireless charging. Now, wireless charging was only exclusive to the US market. It also has quad DAC that is present everywhere but in the US till now. Besides that, there is a 32GB variant of the G6 and the specs are identical to the original G6. I know it's all so confusing, but it's fine. This is only available in Korea at the moment, both these variants. So by the time it comes to India, maybe we will figure out what variant is available where. Xiaomi has a bunch of accessories out in India. The Mi Wi-Fi Repeater 2 is priced at 999 rupees. The Mi Bluetooth Speaker Mini is priced at 1299 rupees. And the Power Bank 2 starts at 1199 rupees. Now you can buy these accessories from Mi Home or Mi.com. The power banks eventually will come to Flipkart and Amazon. That's all on this edition of 360 Daily. I'm Devika Chitnis for Gadgets 360. For all things tech, don't forget to log on to gadgets360.com.